Yeah, so fabulous. The weather yesterday was on the warmer side. Our normal high this time of year is 67 degrees. Yesterday we made it up to 71, so we were above normal for our high, still below normal for our low. We're still trending below normal, but there is a warming trend for our lows. So 48 degrees is our normal low. No records, nowhere near any records. Wow, look how low that record high was yesterday. 82 degrees the record high set back in 1972. The low 14 degrees that was set back in 1962. No rain yesterday, but right now, hopefully we can keep this up. We are above normal for the year by 0.72 because of the rain we saw last week. Now on this Monday, no rain in the forecast. There will be some sunshine into this afternoon. Temperatures warming into the 60s. So we'll be around 62 degrees at 2 p.m. Cloud coverage builds into the night. The wind calms down overnight as well, but those clouds should keep us in the mid to low 40s for our low temperatures. Now our air is cooler today versus yesterday because a weak cold front did pass through the area. So we've got northerly winds, once again, north-northeast winds throughout the day coming around this area of high pressure. This is not the strongest cold air that we are anticipating in the next 7 to 8 days. This high pressure, watch, it slides back to the southeast. You know what that means, right? If you watch the weather often enough, once that high slides east, we start to tap back into our Gulf moisture. We also are still seeing an increase in our southwest flow in the mid to upper levels of the atmosphere, which is going to increase our cloud coverage. There is a coastal low that sets up once again on Tuesday. It's not as strong as the one we saw last Thursday, but this is why our rain starts to increase late Tuesday and into Wednesday. You start to see more showers. By Wednesday morning, we're looking a little soggy. By Wednesday evening, the coastal low is moving away from our coastline, and we'll see the rain trending down into Thursday morning. Then we look to the north. Not quite Thursday or Friday or even Saturday, but by Sunday, a cold front slides through. This is a stronger cold front that is going to tap into possibly some far northern Arctic air that makes its way down into Texas. Colder air is anticipated by then. But until we get to Saturday and Sunday, or Saturday evening, Sunday morning, we do have a warming trend. Our overnight lows get back above normal for Friday and Saturday with lows back in the 50s. So here's that upper air pattern. This is why this one is trending a little colder for the Lone Star State. We are in more of the direct path of that trough. But this is more so the Texas Panhandle, North Texas, South Texas. We still have a bit of a west to easterly flow across our state. But look at this, the cold Canadian air seeps into portions of the northern plains, and we get pretty cold Saturday into Sunday across Texas. We're talking these temperatures 20 to 30 degrees below zero. That is going to be air that makes its way into the northern plains, which means Texas could be anticipating some teens across North Texas. For us, it's maybe a freeze, nothing too dramatic. Will it freeze next week? Yes, there's a chance. But as I mentioned, the coldest air is anticipated just to our north. This map isn't loading, but the coldest air to our north, right now we have about a 30 to 50% chance of below normal temperatures, which would put us likely closer to freezing as we look ahead to next week. But until we get there, we've got that warming trend into the weekend where high temperatures are going to be back in the 70s for Friday and Saturday. Barbie.